What's up, guys? This activity, or actually unit project that we're going to do is we're going to construct jewelry boxes. But before we can construct them, we're going to design them since this is design and drawing for production. So we're going to use Autodesk Inventor. So go ahead and open that up. And you can see that in this activity, you're actually going to learn how to make an assembly. So we're going to create the parts and then we're going to assemble them. So you can see I got the sides. Let me see if I can move this. I got the top and the bottom. I got the front and the back, and I got the sides. So you got to essentially start by making three parts. Because the top and bottom are going to be the same. Both sides will be the same, and the front and the back will be the same. So to demonstrate this, you guys will start a new part for each one of these. New part. You can find that under the File menu, and you're going to start again with a two-dimensional sketch. It's our routine that we do for all of these projects. And we're going to make a rectangle. And you can draw your rectangle and zoom out a little, and you'll use your dimension tool to put the dimensions in. And I believe this is 5.5 inches long. We have to zoom out a little more, and we're going to make it 4 inches tall. Bam. So there's that. When you're done with your sketch, you finish it, and then you're going to extrude this. And we're just going to make this, the wood that we're going to use when we construct these is going to be about 1/4 inch wide. So we'll make them 1/4 inch. And then we're going to actually change the material. So if you look up top where it says default, you can click on that and scroll down. These are going to be made out of a pine. So we'll scroll down to wood, and we're going to find wood, yellow pine. And you see how we changed that? Yellow pine. Now you're going to want to save each one of these parts. So again, to save, we should know this by now. So you go to the File menu, Save, and you click up here, and you're going to want to save this in a folder that you created under your account. And I just save it on the desktop. So I think I actually made a folder by right-clicking and creating a new folder. I said Jewelry Box Images, and I labeled it. The top one was actually the top and the bottom. So I named it top and bottom. So I typed that right here where it says top and bottom, and I clicked save. Bam, and that'll save it. I'm going to do this as number 2 since I already did it. Okay, top and bottom, number 2, and then save it. Bam. So you're going to do the same thing for the front and the sides. So again, File, New. You're going to start Standard IPT. If you didn't just click on the drop-down menu, Standard IPT, choose your plane. Bam. And this one we're going to make, same thing, same process. We're going to do the sides. So make your rectangle, use your dimension tool, and I'm going to make the length. The top was 5.5. So I'm going to make this one 5.5 because it's be the same length. Zoom out. And then since this is going to be the bottom of the jewelry box, we're going to make the height here. I'm going to make it a little smaller because we're going to design the top as well, but that'll be a separate file. So this one, since we made it 4 inches, we're going to want to make this 3.5, so 3.5. Oop, make sure you click on there. 3.5. Yeah. So actually, no, we got to make it a little shorter because the wood is actually 3.5. So let's make it 3 inches tall. And we'll save that or finish that. And then we will extrude it just like the last one. And we're going to make it 1/4 inch or 1/4 or 0.25. And then we're going to change the material to, remember, yellow pine. So go down to wood, yellow pine. And then again, save it. File, save, name it, front and back. And I'm just making it 2 because it's the second one. I already did one to show you. And that's saved. One more part, and we're going to do the sides. So new, part. Start with your two-dimensional sketch. Choose the plane. And I'm going to draw the rectangle. Zoom out a little. Use the dimension tool. And these are the sides. So they're going to be a little shorter. So these will be a little, not as wide. They're going to fit on the inside of the, like this, a butt joint, they call it. We made it 4 inches. So this will be 3.5. And then the height will be 3 inches. Finish your sketch. Extrude it. 1/4 inch again, or 1/4 or 0.25. Change the material up here. Yellow pine, wood, yellow pine. And the last step, save it. Okay, file, save, name it sides. And I just did 2 again, second one. All right, that's the first step. We made the sides. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make an assembly. So good luck. See you in the next video.